Do you want to know how to enroll a disbursement account in SSS using DBP Cash Padala Thru Mlhuillier? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to enroll SSS disbursement account using DBP Cash Padala Thru Mlhuillier. To enroll, open your computer browser. In your computer browser, type in the address bar, www.sss.gov.ph. Wait for the website to load. Answer the pop-up CAPTCHA by just ticking the box beside I'm not a robot and then click the submit button. Then go to portals and click the member button. You will be redirected to the member portal homepage. Input your My.SSS user ID and password. If you are not yet registered online, check the description below on how to register your SSS number online. After inputting, tick the box beside I'm not a robot and then click the submit button. In your My.SSS account, go to the e-Services module and then select Disbursement module. Under the Disbursement modules, select the Disbursement Account Enrollment module option. Under the Disbursement Account Enrollment module, select eWallet, RTC/CPO Enrollment option. A dialog box will appear, just click the close button to proceed. Then select the DBP Cash Padala Thru Mlhuillier e-wallet. Then input your mobile number. Then upload supporting documents. Documents such as your valid identification card and a selfie photo holding your valid ID. After uploading all the necessary supporting documents, check the box and then click the Enroll button. A dialog box will appear, just click the OK button. Congratulations! You have successfully enrolled your SSS disbursement account online. You will receive a notification when your disbursement account is already approved. I hope this video helps you. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.